We're Immobiliser Fit. Instead of protecting this 2019 John Cooper Works with a Halo Connect. So our thief's got your key, they've cloned it, they've got in the house, stolen it, go to drive the vehicle off. When they select a gear, car's going to cut out. As you can see, it's stalled. And with the Halo Connect, customer's also going to get a phone call, because there's instances now we're hearing of where they're trying it 4 or 5 times in the night. They're not around, they don't know what's going on. So this lets them know. For the customer to drive it, they can use a PIN code. So ignition on without their foot on the brake, pop their code in they choose, 1, 2, 3, nice and simple for this video. Hear their melody, now they can start and select their gear. Obviously when they do this, pass authorization, they don't get a phone call, system's disarmed. They can also pair a phone to this, so they don't need to use a code if they're not a fan, they just want the phone in their pocket and they want to start it, and they want it to be nice and simple. As well as this, it has service mode. So the way that works, ignition on, pop your code in to prove that it's you, get your disarm tone, now press any button 11 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We'll cycle the ignition off, back on, we'll get 2 bleeps. There we go. So now when it goes to mini, no code, no phone, it's just a normal vehicle. Select a gear, it runs, doesn't stall out. It's as if there's nothing fitted. When you get it back, all you got to do, without starting, ignition on, pop your code in, get your 2 bleeps and it's switched back on. Once again, we're Immobiliser Fit. This is the Halo Connect Immobiliser. Someone gets in, tries to steal it. They get in, select a gear, car cuts out, customer gets a phone call. And also the car won't restart. There we go, it's ringing again. Halo Connect Immobiliser, fitted by us at Immobiliser Fit. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393 and we'll protect your vehicle. Thanks for watching.